Gaelchultúr are the largest provider of Irish language courses in the world and also the only third-level Irish language institution in the world.
With 90% of our courses being delivered online, we welcome learners from all different backgrounds and all different countries.
Regardless of whether you've done your leaving cert as Gaeilge or whether you're coming back to it or whether you're just starting out in your Irish language journey, Gaelchultúr has the right option for you.
Sa rang amsaláháin mar hampla tumaní taxiad, déitach duine tá gobar guntíiseach a bhead sa rang, nó déitach duine tá ar scur a bhead sa rang, nó beidir fiú duine tá fós ar an ollscoil ach tá ghearra crulin agus scileann nGaeilge.
I wanted to be able to do my weather forecasts in Irish as Gaeilge. I had a foundation of Irish from my youth, but I wanted to bring it up a level so that I was able to translate my own weather forecasts into Irish. So that's what drew me to Gaelchultúr.
I Cúrsaí Gaelchultúr, bíonn an bhéim ar an Ghaeilge leabhartha agus ar chleachtaí idirghríomhacha le linn an ranga, agus bíonn grúpaí beagas na Ranganna chomá ar watha le heispéiris an ólamóra.
Clachta dhéanann máistreacht. So nuair atá daoine ag clachta na teanga tá an misneach agus muinín thucu go han-tapig.
Well, I failed Irish in school and it was never the fault of the school. I trained before school from kind of the age of 14. I remember living in America and walking down the street and hearing everybody speaking their own language. And then when you had to go back to English, they went to English, but then straight back to their own language. And then I realised I didn't have a word of Irish at the time. So I bought a book and a CD and I started to self-teach. But then I found kind of Gaelchultúr and Ranganna.com and kind of the resources that they have, and it's just so interesting. And it's all available to you, not just in the class, but when you're at home and you're able to really relax and enjoy the learning experience.
Ranganna.com is Gaelchultúr's e-learning independent study platform. It allows learners to work on their Irish in their own time and study independently.
Ranganna.com is full of interactive content, audio, visual content, and it's a perfect way to keep up your Irish outside the classroom and learn independently.
The supported notes as well. I can't say enough in how supported that is to the actual course. So it has to be seen to believe. It really is very useful.
One of the most unique things about learning with Gaelchultúr is the range of learning options that are available to all our learners. That's to say, we provide courses here on site in Dublin. And additionally, we also provide a range of courses online. That allows learners, no matter where they are in Ireland or in the world, to join classes with Gaelchultúr.
I'm originally from Boston, but I've lived in Ireland for 6 years now. I just finished a beginner's course with Gaelchultúr. I found that learning in person with a group every week sort of gave me the discipline I needed, but also the camaraderie around learning the language. You weren't just sort of learning random vocabulary, but phrases that you'd use on an everyday basis.
Tug sé an níl sé éisce. Tá sé níos simú chun é dhéanamh le Gaelchultúr agus tá ábhda é Cúrsaí istíocht a chéal.
Tá breis is 100 míle foghlaimeoir in bheith Foghlaim linn agus leanan nutha trí fan géad ólamóirí a raibh leis an ólam in a géad Cúrsa.
My advice for a complete beginner who'd like to learn Irish is to start now. Start today.
To check out our range of courses, visit Gaelchultúr.com.